Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm in a lesson today with
Berniece.
Berniece is working on a song for, she's singing it at the St. Patrick's Day recital. So we're learning a new arrangement of I Know Where I'm Going, so I'm just going to play her melody notes so she can practice at home like a good girl. Here we go. That's the starting note. Then 3 measures of rest. And then when you come back in, this is your starting note. Two measures of rest. And then you come back in on this note, the same note you ended on, but new key. Then 8 beats of rest. The end. Yay.